Hello, good morning children. Today we are going to learn about heat part 3. In part 1 and 2 we learned about clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer, convection, conduction and radiation we learned. Then in this part we are going to learn about conductors and insulators, sea breeze, land breeze, kinds of cloth in different season. Let us start. Conductors and insulators. The material which allow heat to pass through them are called conductors of heat. The material which allow heat to pass through them is called conductors of heat. Examples: copper, iron, aluminium, gold, silver, so many things are there. These all are called what? Conductors. It is passing heat. Then the material which do not allow heat to pass through them is called insulators. The materials not allowed to pass the heat is called insulators. Example: plastic, wood, rubber, etc. are the insulators. Understood? What is conductors? What is insulators? Conductors means the material it is allowed to pass the heat is called conductors. The materials do not allow heat to pass through them are called insulators. Examples also you can identify. Then sea breeze. What do you mean by sea breeze? In daytime, in the coastal area, during daytime, what will happen? The land become more hot compared to sea. Yes, if we know that the land become more hot compared to sea. Sea slowly will be what hot because it is water. That's why due to the sunlight, what will happen? Sea slowly what hotness will be coming. That's why in the above the land, the warm air will be there. But if you're standing in the coastal area morning also, we will be getting afternoon each time if you're going there. What will happen? We will be getting cool air. How it's happened? Because in the land, above the land, what is warm air will be there. But in the above the sea, cool air will be there. That cool air from the sea move towards the land. The cool air from the sea move towards the land. Then the warm air going to sea. But we want to check the cool air is moving from where to where? Cool air is moving from sea to land. That's why we can say that is sea breeze. Morning is sea breeze. That means cool air from the sea is moving towards the land and it will be what is complete the cycle. This is called sea breeze. What do you mean by sea breeze? Sea breeze, that means in coastal area during daytime land become more hot compared to sea. That time cool air from the sea is moving towards the land. Cool air from the sea is going towards the land. That time it will be complete the cycle. This phenomena is called sea breeze. But in night the land become cool. Land cools down very fastly. But sea will be cooling very slowly because it is hot. In the evening time the water will be hot. That time what will happen? It is slowly, the water will be slowly only cooling. That time the cool air will be in the land. Then this cool air from the land is moving towards the sea. Then it will be complete the cycle. This process is called land breeze. The cool air from where to where? Cool air from the land to sea is called land breeze. It is during the night. Understood? Land breeze because cool air is moving from land to sea is called land breeze in the night time. Understood? Sea breeze and land breeze we learned. Then kinds of cloth we wear in summer and winter. In summer, we prefer light color cloth we are preferring. But in winter, we usually wear dark cloth. Why we are using that? Because dark cloth will be absorb more heat than what? Light cloth. That's why dark cloth we are not wearing in the summer season. Dark cloth we are wearing in the winter season only. Then light color cloth will be reflect more heat that falls on them, and therefore we feel more comfortable wearing in summer. Light cloth will be reflect all the heat. That's why we are wearing light color cloth in the summer season. Understood? Dark cloth will be wearing in the winter season because it is absorbed more heat. That time we will be getting warm. The same way we are wearing layers of cloth in winter because of layers will be what trapping all the heat each layers. That's why layers of cloth wearing is more comfortable in winter. Then activity, how we can check this dark color is absorbing more hot. You have to take identical cans. That means can you have to take 2 cans, you can take it. Then paint one can with black color and other one with white color. Then pour the water into each cans. You can pour the water in equal amount. After that, leave them in a midday of the sun, midday sun for about an hour, 1 hour or 2 hours. We can keep it outside. Measure the temperature of water in both cans. You can use laboratory thermometer or by touch if we are not having the laboratory thermometer at home. Yes, that's why we can by touching itself we can identify which can is having hot. This dark color can water is having hot or white color can is having hot. You can check it or then comment it on the inbox. Okay, then comment box you can comment it. I think you learned. If you have you can check it again. Then thank you all. Thank you for watching our this chapter is over. Thank you.